Hi everybody, welcome back to your third English class. Now, let's start. We have been checking simple past. Now, we have already checked affirmative and negative form. Now, we're going to check interrogative form. For this, I'm going to use one example in affirmative form. Here, I saw the giraffes at the zoo yesterday. Affirmative. I have my subject, my verb in past, my complement, and my time expression. Now, it's going to be kind of similar, but for the interrogative form, we're going to use one auxiliary. Do you remember the auxiliary we're using for simple past? Yes, the auxiliary did is my auxiliary verb in past. Now, do you remember that if we have the auxiliary did in past, we cannot have the verb in past? Just keep that in mind. Then, after I use my auxiliary to continue with my sentence, I'm going to use the subject. In this case, you. Okay? Did you? Did you? Now, what was the action? So, but remember, here, my verb is in past, but here, I have my auxiliary in past. So, I cannot repeat this verb in past. I'm going to use it in present. See. Did you see? And then we can write our complement. Did you see the giraffes at the zoo? You want to be more specific? Time expression. Did you see the giraffes at the zoo yesterday? It's kind of incomplete. Why? Because it's interrogative. So, I need a question mark. Remember that in English, we only use one question mark at the end of the question. Only this. Yeah? You don't need any extra question mark. Okay? So, my question is, did you see the giraffes yesterday at the zoo? Or did you see the giraffes at the zoo yesterday? The order, never mind. So, this is one question in simple past. Very easy. We only included our auxiliary in past, the subject, the verb, the main verb of the action, but in present. Verb in present, complement, and time expression, and at the end, the question mark. Very easy. Just remember, only in affirmative form, the verb is going to be in past. In negative and in interrogative form, the verb is going to be in present. Why? Because our auxiliary did expresses past. Now, let's write another example. We're going to start with did because it is my question. Did, let's use Valeria. Did Valeria Did Valeria drink soda? And time expression. Did Valeria drink soda last Monday? That is my question. And pay attention. You have only two options for the answer. In the case of the answers, you have only two options. Yes or no. But in English, we used to complement the answers. So, yes, Valeria, or she, yes, she did. Yeah? Yes, she did. Or no, she did. It's negative form. No, she didn't. Yeah? So pay attention to that. How do we know which subject are we going to use in the answers? Easy. It's the same subject that we're using in the questions. Okay, so this is it. This is simple past in interrogative form.